Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can add your iPhone 14 to lost/stolen database of the IMEI.info website. So first, beforehand you have to dial this number on your phone, and if it got stolen, try to look on the box of your phone. It should be there, or the serial number would be there. It would be handy too. And this is the quickest way to access your IMEI number. And now when you input the IMEI number on the IMEI.info website, as you can see, you will get some basic info about your phone, and you'll be also able to press the lost device ad on the basic checks. And here you'll be able to add the information about your lost phone. As well, you can add the serial number and the stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.